What
Question
is an
30.
absolute?
Pardon, beta? I said pardon. Repeated. What was the last question?
What is an absolute state?
Okay, okay. What is an absolute state? Okay. Next one. Why do the domestic servants why do the domestic servants of the Sadaus why do the domestic servants of the Sadaus Sadaos Sadaus strongly react to the Americans' presence in the house, to the Americans' presence in the house. To the Americans' presence in the house. Written. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Why was Sadao not able to talk to the general? Why was Sadao not able to talk to the general? Why was Sadao not able to talk to the general about the assassins? About the assassins for quite some time. About the assassins for quite some time. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did Sadao feel? Why did Sadao feel that the general was why did Sadao feel that the general was in the palm of his hand? Why did Sadao feel that the general was in the palm, P-A-L-M, of his hand? Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Gazing out to the sea, gazing out to the sea, from where the young man had come,
Ma'am, please repeat.
gazing out, gazing means looking out. Gazing out to the sea from where the young man had come, comma, Sada was reminded of some other white men, comma, gazing out to the sea from where the young man had come, comma, Sada was reminded of some other white man, men, he had known, he had known, full stop. Who were they? Who were they? And what did Sada remember about them? Who were they? And what did Sada remember about them? Last one. If you were Dr. Sadao, if you were Dr. Sadao, what would you have done to the American sailor? What would you have done to the American sailor? Written?
Yes, ma'am.
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 Okay, textual questions, they are the long ones, better. See, there are moments in life when we have to make this. Did I make you mark down? Huh? Did I make you mark down?
Yes, ma'am.
See, is this question there? Why was Tom reluctant to leave the sheltered nook of the doctor's house? Just see it in the book, beta. Is it there?
No, ma'am.
No.
So write down this. It has to be there. It's written here that this is the textual question. Let me see.
Ma'am, it's third question. How would you explain the reluctance of the soldier to leave?
This you have to do, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Then second one also you will do it. Second, third, fourth. This you will do. और ये बेटा ये लिख लो because बोर्ड में ये क्वेश्चन आते ही है. Write down. Long answer it is, okay? Inverted comma. The kindest thing would be to put him back into the sea. Write down. Additional one it is. The kindest thing would be to put him back into the sea. Comma, inverted comma. Says Hannah, full stop. What are your comments regarding Hannah's statement? What are your comments regarding Hannah's statement? Next one. Describe the mental state of Dr. Sadao. Describe the mental state of Dr. Sadao during the 3 nights. During the 3 nights when he was waiting for the private assistance of the general. Describe the mental state of Dr. Sadao during the 3 nights when he was waiting for the private assistance of the general. Written. And the last one, how did Dr. Sadao help the American prisoner to escape? How did Dr. Sadao help the American prisoner to escape? These are the long ones. They mostly come. What precautions did he want the men to take? How did Dr. Sadao help the American prisoner to escape? What precautions did he want the man to take? Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है बेटा, the next chapter will be now should visit with mommy. This will begin tomorrow. You do the questions and answers of enemy. How many questions overall, Aishwarya? Yes, Aishwarya, how many questions?
Ma'am, actually, I didn't write because I have the book. I took the questions.
Why didn't you write?
Ma'am, because I have the book in which these questions are written.
Okay, you are having the BBC. So who
Yes,
has
ma'am.
written down the questions? Sumit, have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
How many overall, beta?
I'm 27 approx.
Okay. Okay, don't panic, ghabrana nahi. It is going to cover the whole chapter, okay? You don't need to revise it once. You do these questions, okay? It means you're revising the chapter thoroughly because these questions, they cover every point of the chapter. Each point of the chapter is covered in it. Clear? Even the chapter is too long, isn't it? So itne questions to bante hi hai beta. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tomorrow we'll begin with the new chapter. Fine?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, beta. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.